Sikhuleke-ke nabendlovana, khuleka nabasemude uvele ngesiliba phakathi kwamangisi yebo namaqadasi nabenkonjane kandaba edukele ezizweni ezinye zidukele emafini. Silapha-ke namhlanje kwi-Memorial Stone of Ntshingwayo kaMahole Khoza. This is the monument of Ntshingwayo kaMahole Khoza. Ntshingwayo was born into Mchunu clan at Ngonyameni, Leonek. Mahole Khoza resided at Nondweni in Nqutu. In Nqutu, Mahole Khoza attacked the Chunu clan and confiscated their cattle and females. Mahole loved the woman who was carrying the baby on her back, and he kidnapped her and the baby. He named the baby Ntshingwayo because the father ran away and deserted his family. Mahole did not have any hair. Instead, he had a girl child whose name was Kholekile. Ntshingwayo was categorized by his name King Bande into Mkhulujane regiment. He was then assigned to serve at the Mlambongwenye Palace, where he was one of the palace guards. After the building of Kotrikazi Palace, King Bande assigned Ntshingwayo as its Induna. Ntshingwayo was loyal to the King Mcetshwayo from his tender age. That is why King Mcetshwayo made him his general. The army of the King Mcetshwayo trusted aides during the Battle of Sandwane. He was assigned as the chief commander of the Zulu army that defeated the British on the 21st January 1879. He was also part of the Kambule and Hlobane battles. The people burnt down the Undini Royal Palace for the king. He then went further to burn Ntshingwayo's Washayimiti Skral at Inyonyane. Ntshingwayo's family fled to the cave for refugee, and Ntshingwayo was killed at the Battle of Ondini, but was not buried because his family found out that his body already decomposed. Isikhumbuzo sikaNtshingwayo kaMahole Khoza. Lesi isikhumbuzo sikaNtshingwayo kaMahole Khoza. uNtshingwayo wazalelwa eNgonyameni eLeonek, ezalwa kwaMchunu. Ezalwa kwaMchunu. uMahole Khoza wayakhe enondweni eNquthu. uMahole Khoza wahlasela abakwaMchunu, waphanga izinkomo nabesimame. uMahole wathanda unina wengane eyayisemhlane, wabe esemthumba nengane ayiqamba igama lokuthi uNtshingwayo ngoba uyise ebalekile washiya umndeni wakhe. uMahole wayengenayo indlalifa, kodwa wayenentombazane okwakungikholekile. uNtshingwayo kaMahole wabuthwa yiSilompande ngaphansi komkhulutshane, wabe esejutshwa ukuba sesigodlweni eMlambongwenya, lapho waba ngomunye wabaqaphi besigodlo. Kuthe uma inkosi uMpande seyakha isigodlo sakwaGqikazi yajuba uNtshingwayo kaMahole njengenduna yaso. uNtshingwayo wayethembekile enkosini uCetshwayo kusukela ikhula, okwenza isilo uCetshwayo ukuba kube nguye umdidiyeli omkhulu wempi kaZulu eyanqoba amangisi ngomhla zu-21 kuMasingana ngo-1879. Wayekhona futhi empini yaseKhambule naseHlobane. Umuzi wakhe kwaShayimithi eNyonyana washiswa nguZibhebhi emva kokushisa umuzi weSilo Ondini. Umndeni wakhe wabalekela eMgedeni. uNtshingwayo wasala khona empini yaseOndini, kodwa akangcwatshwanga ngoba umndeni wakhe wathola umzimba wakhe sewonakele. Leli tsheli isikhumbuzo lakho uhulumeni waKwaZulu Natal ukuhlonipha uNtshingwayo kaMahole Khoza lakhiwe ngaphansi kophiko lwamafa KwaZulu Natal and Research Institute. Lena-ke iqhawe-ke leli qhawe leNgonyama-ke yaseOndini, iqhawe leNgonyama iSilompande, isilo sakwaNodwengu. Imisebenzi-ke yalo miningi kakhulu, njengoba uyena bathi-ke wayehlanganisa zonke iy'nsizwa ezazibheke eSandlwana kade ziyonqoba amangisi-ke. Waba liqhawe kakhulu, nawukuba-ke umzimba wakhe wagcina ungasafihlwanga ngenxa yokuthi-ke phela uMagasa mhla egasele eOndini ezofuna iy'khulu kaZulu, bathi-ke wafika wabagwaza wababulala. Emva kwalokho bathi-ke kwathiwa amabutho ayefikele ayekhona lapho awahlala abheke ukuthi-ke zonke iy'khulu ey'lapho azincwatshwa, kodwa imizimba yazo izibona. Nempela-ke njengoba kuyavela la emlandweni ukuthi uNtshingwayo kaMahole wagcina-ke ebola engasancwatshwa. Lesi sikhumbuzo-ke sivulwe abakwaKhoza kanye nomntwana okwaphinda angene ngonyaka ka-2022. Siyathokoza. 2023 I mean. Siyaxolisa kulokho bendloveni amandla. Ngicela ukuthi-ke nisubscribe kwiGula TV la ku-Facebook, iphinde futhi naku-TikTok nisilandele kanjalo naku-Facebook. Siyabonga kakhulu.